Welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. I'm Aoi San, and today our members from membership program asked me to cook Myanmar traditional meal or something, but I'm not very good at cooking, so I decided to make our most famous salad, leper salad, tea leaf salad. To show you how to make it. So let's start. But first, this is dried tea leaf, and this is very famous in Myanmar, and every Myanmar house has this kind of leaf to entertain the guests. So we need to put it 1 spoon and this, and we are going to add hot water, warm water to it. You see that? This is really hot. We can drink instantly after making this tea leaf. We have to wait at least 10 minutes to drink. So while we are waiting to drink this, we're gonna make tea leaf salad. Ta-da! This is tea leaf salad. Yeah, this is not raw tea leaf. Before I start this video, I smashed the garlic and chili and mix this with tea leaf. So we are going to add some tea leaf, and yes, peanuts. Actually, we eat tea leaf with many kind of beans, but especially I really love peanuts. So ta-da! And oh yes, we can mix my favorite dry shrimp. This is so small, so you might be dumb. This is not the real shrimp, but this is real dry shrimp. My favorite jabongjang. And add this and do this. Actually, this can be set as later as a topping, but I really like it, so I added a lot. And we are gonna add some salts, main salts in here, and this is the flavor, some flavor in it, and just a little bit, enough. And in tea leaf salad, oil is the most important thing, and this is peanut oil, and this is really this smells really good. And we are gonna add, before I add this, we need to add tomatoes in it. So let's wash it first. Yes. And don't worry, I'm not gonna cut you. So we are going to slide it really thin, as much as possible. And I like vegetable, so I'm going to cut coffee. It's okay. That is enough. And we are going to add this kind of do this. I'm going to decorate it to be beautiful, but whatever. I'm going to mix it in release them. Every time I mix something, I eat it fast. And we are going to add peanut oil in it. I add a little mash. And we are going to mix it. So what do you want me to do? And I'm going to mix this with some flavors. And yes, I make it really a little bit because I'm going to eat it alone. Actually, I normally make it with at least full of this bowl. I mean plate. But today I'm going to eat it alone, so I don't need mash. Oh my god, I want to eat this with rice. This smells really good. So as a final stage, I'm going to cut some lemon and squeeze it on the top of it. Done. So I am finished. As an Asian, typical Asian, I'm going to eat with rice. Yeah. Daily slab has been a staple food for so long. I don't even know where is that, but there is even a proverb that all of the fruit mango is the best, all of the meat pork is the best, and all of the leaf leopard is the best, which means tea leaf is the best. And there are so many stories that there are so many Asian stories, include tea leaf salad in it, and this has been a staple food for so long, and it is still very famous street food. Or this is also classic food, classic Myanmar traditional food, and this is really. This has many reasons why it remained for so long, because the fragment is really good. It is already stimulating my appetite. So let's get started. I really like this. It is a little bit sour because I add a little bit too much lime on it. So the smell is really good. This is really a perfect match. And in every house of Myanmar has this kind of tea leaf salad, at least tea leaf, because we offer the guests this kind of tea leaf salad as a dessert for so long. In every house, if you visit to Myanmar people will offer you as a dessert and as a guest as tea leaf salad. And yes, this is tea. Tea is the best fragment ever. This is really full of fragment. tastes like a jasmine tea, but this is a little bit stronger flavor in it. And Myanmar people really love to drink this kind of tea, especially older people really love to drink, and they even drink more than water. Tea. This is one of the reasons why Myanmar people get so slim. They also use this as a medicine for slim, to slim. I mean. And I'm going to eat this with rice. Yes. Oh. And chili salad has a really strong flavor. With rice, it's perfect. Yeah. I also add in tea leaf that garlic and chili, but it never enough. So I'm going to mix with one of them and one of them. And it is really fun to find little shrimp in this kind of chili salad. And I'm going to mix it with some rice. Oh, guys, drop. It's really good. You should try it. This is a must try. You know, chili salad is a must try before you. Today's video is a little bit different than usual because usually I explore food around the street, and today I made this kind of video because of the member request. So if you want to join the membership program, you don't forget to join. Don't forget to click the join button. So if you like this video, you will also like this video and this video too. Bye bye. Chuẩn ạ.